Ma meilleure est pas blessée. Ça va le faire, vous voulez pas nous.
Yeah. Just a brief reaction to the judgment.
Well, you are aware that this judgment threw up about 3 issues. Issue 1, which had to do with the powers of the EFCC to independently conduct an investigation without being restricted by the need for a complaint, was resolved in favor of the EFCC. We look at it as a fundamental issue that would have affected the investigative capacities of the EFCC, and thankfully the Court of Appeal has resolved it in favor of the EFCC. Issues 2 and 3 were resolved in favor of the appellant. Issue 3 has to do with the territorial jurisdiction of the FCT High Court in respect of this matter. We believe, as we canvassed in our argument before this court, that there is a linkage between the Federation account and the monies that were found in the appellant's account. And we will look at it critically again, and thankfully, the way the system of justice in this country works, at least at the superior courts of records, there are 3 layers: the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court. We succeeded in the High Court. We lost in the Court of Appeal. We will still have one more bite at the cherry, and we intend to actually explore that possibility.
All right. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, sir. Let's hear your reaction to the judgment.
Well, naturally, I am happy. One, the judgment came exactly, that is, the judgment of the Court of Appeal came exactly 4 months after the judgment of the High Court. It's the fastest appeal process that I have ever witnessed, and so that's why we have to thank their lordships for bending over backwards, strengthening themselves, denying themselves some sleeps to make sure that the liberty of a citizen is protected and upheld. So we thank them for that. Aside from that, you will see that the judgment itself has displayed some, a great degree of efforts, courage, and what I would say, hard work on the part of the justices. They have unraveled the mystery. Well, the position now by their judgment is that it is not enough for the prosecution to say you charge somebody. You must bring all the pieces of evidence that you have against him to enable him prepare for his defense, and that where you fail to do this, then your judgment, your charge, the charge that you have preferred against an accused person will be struck down, and that's what has been done here. Number 2, the court has discouraged what I will call forum shopping. In other words, you cannot say because it will be convenient for you to try somebody or an accused person in a particular place, you now disregard other factors, namely where the offense allegedly took place. So it has been settled now beyond peradventure that the liberty of a citizen is paramount, and that the accused must be given every opportunity to make the case that you have, marshaled or you have against him. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.